This is Stephen Childs of Corporate Credit Concierges. I would ask you, if you like this video, when you're done, as this is a new video, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and pass this around. What I pride myself doing here, we at Corporate Credit Concierges do not want to get into a whole bunch of unnecessary dialogue. So let's get right to the point. This video is to demystify and eliminate anybody saying that there is no such thing as business credit with no personal guarantee, otherwise known as corporate credit. Here, with the exception of the address, which I blocked out here for my client safety, this is a real company. This company is called Bank Equities LLC. And as you see, the date here is literally from 2 weeks ago. This is an Experian Business Credit Advantage report. You do not see anyone's name on this report except for the actual company. You see no person's name on this report except for the artificial person of Bank Equities LLC. Now, if we scroll down, you see that there is an 88. You see that the financial stability risk rating is perfect, which is a 1. It goes from 5, which is the red, down to green, which is the 1. There's 5 levels. And you also notice that there are trade references here. So before we look at this one specific report that has this date on it of 1/15/2019, I wanted to show you the predecessor report of the exact same company. My client comes to me and he says, "Stephen, could you please help me build my business credit?" And I said, "Sure, no problem. What is it that you want me to do?" He said, "Well, I've heard about this and I keep having to use my personal credit. My personal credit is being drugged down into the mire because I can't keep up with my growth. So help me establish some business credit." And I told him, "Okay, well, it's not going to happen in 90 days. It's going to take about 6 months, maybe a year, but you have to start the journey. When you start the journey, it gets better with time." So here, if we look at this report from August 19, 2018, you notice that the company has already been on file 1 year. Okay, but as of 8/19/2018, the score was an 86, and I had been working with my client for almost 5 months by this point. And what we had initially started, if you look, you see the financial stability risk rating is a 2 versus the financial stability risk rating of the report from 1/15, which I just brought up on the screen, which is now a 1, right? So in us going through what his needs were, you notice that there is only one specific trade payment vendor that's listed here. It's the financial trade services vendor. But if you look and pay attention to the dates, you see the date 12/27/2017. That was last December, literally. That was not this past December 2018. That was 2017 December. This company's already getting cash advances. Again, no personal guarantee. 0 personal guarantee. Cash advances in 2018, $2,500 cash advance. A few months later, the beginning of the year 2018. Again, ladies and gentlemen, this report is literally from 8/19/2018, from this past August. So if you do a comparison again, and we look at the vendors that are listed in the newer report from 2019, 1/15/2019, which is this specific report, you'll see there's 2 trade payment vendors here. You have a supplier category for financial services, and then you have a supplier category for account services. So the difference between these two, just so that you know, is these are continuous trades. This is a completely different trade company here, and just so that you know, what I had my client do was get a new website from a company that actually reports its services to Experian. And you're only going to find that here in Corporate Credit Concierge. You're only going to find the secrets of how to build business credit like personal credit here at Corporate Credit Concierge. So this additional trade, what it did was it increased the score by 2 points from an 86 to an 88, and it increased the financial stability risk rating from a 2 to a 1. So technically, you can't get any better than that. I think the only thing better than an 88 obviously would be a 90 or a 100. But in business credit, the real question here is, well, what is a good score from Experian for pure corporate credit, or as they say, business credit with no personal guarantee? The term corporate credit and business credit with no personal guarantee are synonymous. So let's go under common questions here at Experian's business credit portal, and let's just drop down to where it says, what is a good business credit score? And I will blow this up for the masses, but if you look, it tells you right here that the average business credit score is a 62. So if an average is a 62, without question, a good score is an 80. So it has a range of 1 to 100. If you wanted to just look at it and say an 80 is a B, an 86 is a B plus, a 90 would obviously be an A. But this, again, this is to eliminate the speculation. There's no such thing as business credit without a personal guarantee. Again, you see that there are no names on this report except for the company's name, the company's BIN number, which stands for Business Identification Number, which is a 9-digit number that is generated from the address, the name, and the EIN of the actual business. And this company's only been in business for 2 years. So if someone says, well, you can't establish business credit with a company that's not 2 years old or not 3 years old, that's not true. That is absolutely not true. Because if we were to go back to the original report from 8/19/2018, you see this company is 1 year old. It's just more than 1 year old, but it's 1 year old. And the reality of it is this company was actually formed, if you look at it here, this company was formed December 13, 2016. This is ENBNC, EQTS, LLC, which is doing business as and bank equities. So by the time May rolls around, May of 2017, the company had only been 6 months old. By the time the file was established, by the time it was 8/19/2018, yes, the company is more than 1 year old. But let's look at the numbers again. Let's look at it very closely. This company was formed 12/13/2016. So within 1 year, this company had already been receiving cash advances from a vendor on 12/27/2017. That is 1 year, and 14 days later, this company is receiving cash advances. If we wanted to say there's a cash advance for $1,694 at 8/11/17, which is literally only 9 months after this company is formed, it's already receiving business credit, and its trades are being reported to Experian because the trade started being reported to Experian in May of 2017. So let not someone tell you there's no such thing as business credit with no personal guarantee, because you're looking at an authentic report here. And let not someone tell you that you need 2 years, because you do not. It's all about the secrets of how to establish business credit. And I wanted to make sure that everyone could see how Experian Business Credit Report actually looks like. What is it that they have there that are requisites for reporting? Obviously, you see there's business scoring that's worse. 85% of businesses score worse than this. This company has no bankruptcies, no liens, no judgments files, no collections, and it's telling you that it has a high credit balance of 1120 for the month, and it has 100% payment trends. So as I continue to build this business credit for my client, I will give an update here. So we can lay all these reports next to one another, and you can look as new trades are added. And again, if you like the video and you like receiving factual information, know that you're going to get that from Corporate Credit Concierge. Know 100% that you're going to obtain facts, and you're going to look at factual documentation, not speculation. And know that you can always call us at 267-648-0700. That's 267-648-0700. Or you can reach us out to us at www.corporatecreditconcierges.com. That's www.corporatecreditconcierges.com. Or you can always email one of us at creditinfo@corporatecreditconcierges.com. That's creditinfo@corporatecreditconcierges.com. Again, like the video, subscribe to the channel. We love phone calls here. And if you need some insight or some information, or you need the secrets to be able to build pure corporate credit for your company and actually have a report that shows that you're not personally guaranteed for it, give us a call, send us an email, send us a text. We'd be more than happy to hear from you. Take care. Again, subscribe and like the video. Thank you very much for watching.